Oh, if you only knew the struggle of trying to cook a pizza in a toaster. Most people are smart enough just to give up. But Matt's not most people. I think he's on to something. It's the Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Let's check out the Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster. Specs and features. Is it a toaster or is it a mini oven? Surprise, it's both. Standing upright in toaster mode, the Ninja Flip Toaster can fit 2 pieces of thick-cut sandwich bread, 2 small bagels, or a single piece of artisan-style bread. You've also got 3 toasting settings from toast to bagel to defrost. These toasting presets can be tweaked by adjusting the shade settings. There's also a handy tray to catch and collect breadcrumbs, so you're not constantly wiping up after yourself. And the game changer, literally, the Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster actually flips on its side to transform into a compact toaster oven. In this configuration, all of a sudden you've got a mini oven that can reach 400 degrees with no need for preheating. Rapid oven technology means you're able to cook 35% faster than a traditional full-size electric oven. As a toaster oven, you've also got some preset modes: bake, broil, and reheat. Using the supplied bake tray, you can load mini pizzas, cheese toasties, paninis, as well as baking appetizers like chicken nuggets, spring rolls, and of course my favorite, nachos. Set your baking time, and away she goes. I think the results speak for themselves. So, what do we like about the Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster? This thing's a great deal at $89.99. This toaster combo oven isn't much more expensive than a mid-range toaster on its own. As a toaster, there's no complaints. It does its job. But as a toaster oven, it saves time and electricity for small snacks and reheating leftovers. You can be done in the time it takes to preheat a full-size oven. And for the day after pizza, this thing is the best. No more soggy microwave pizza. Crisp and perfect. So what's the downside? When you're toasting, you can't change the settings mid-operation. In fact, to adjust the shade or toast settings, you got to turn it off, and then turn it back on and try again. And when you're in oven mode, there's no windows to see if you're close to being done or not. So, what else do you need to know before you go online and buy one? There's no lock on the flipping mechanism. Just be careful, as the Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster tends to want to flip at the slightest encouragement. So, how does the Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster rate out of 10? A time-saving appliance that's fast and versatile. We're giving it a 9 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got 2 options really. You can follow our purchase link we've included in the description below and pick one up for only $119.99. Or you can enter the Review to You drawing to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways. And then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.